Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today through this video, I'm going to discuss some of the terminologies related to the fungi. The first terminology is blastic conidium. These are the conidium arising from only a portion of a pre-existing conidiogenous cell. Organisms like Trichobotrys, Agarwalia, Alicidiopsis, Chrysonelia, Hyalodendron, Cladosporium. These are the genus. They always produces blastic conidium in acropetal chains. Next terminology is Thaliconidium. These are the conidium which are formed by transformation of an entire pre-existing hyphal cell. In the diagram, I have given lot of examples of different type of Thaliconidium produced by varieties of fungal organisms. Next terminology is Chlamydospores. These are thick-walled Thaliconidium that generally functions as a resting spores. They may born terminally or they may born intercalary. Next terminology is Acervulus. These are rampant, open, saucer, that is cup-shaped fruiting body that bears conidiophore, conidia, and which is the characteristics of the order Melancholiales. Acervulus contain conidia, CT, conidiophore. Next terminology is Pycnidium. This is a closed or nearly closed asexual fruiting body bearing conidiophore as well as conidia internally. This is the characteristics of the order Sphaeropsidales. A particular conidium have different parts like osteoles, then conidia, and these are the main part of a particular conidium. Another terminology is CT, which is generally present in a particular Acervulus, produced by the order Melancholiales. CT are the hyphae associated with various fruiting structures. Next is Amerospores. All single cell or one cell spores are termed as Amerospores. These are produced by varieties of fungal species, and some of the example has been presented through this diagram. Next is Conidiophore. The meaning of conidiophore is that these are the simple or the branched hyphae arising from a somatic hyphae and bearing at its tip or the side one or more conidiogenous cell. Conidia, phyllids, medulla, and the branches are the different parts of a particular conidiophore. Next terminology is Phragmospores. These are several celled conidium with transverse, that is horizontal septa only. This type of phragmospores are produced a variety of fungi, and these phragmospores are of different type. They may be didymospores, dictyospores, starospores, helicospores, and phragmospores. Scolospore, these are the long slender conidium. That means all long slender conidiums are grouped under this type of spores. Next terminology is phyllids. These are a specialized sporogenous cell producing conidia from an open end in the basipetal succession. If you look at the diagram, then the concept of phyllids will become more clear. Medullae is another terminology which is used in the fungal world. The meaning of medullae means that these are the cells giving rise to the stigmata or phyllids. Dictyospores means the conidium having both horizontal as well as vertical septa as shown in the diagram. Eluriospores, these are usually single and apical conidium. They are thick-walled and pigmented but may also be hyaline. Endoconidia is another terminology. The meaning of endoconidia means these are the conidia formed from within a conidiogenous cell or phyllids. Another common terminology used in fungal world is staurospores. The meaning of staurospores is the branched or the star-shaped conidium, which is produced by a number of fungal organisms. Next terminology is cinema. Its plural form is cinemata. These are the cylindrical, compact group of conidiophore, which is the characteristics of Stilbaceae. Next is sporodochium. It means a cushion-shaped structure made up of loosely grouped conidiophores, which is the characteristics of the family Tuberculariaceae. Blastospores is another common terminology. The meaning of blastospores means the conidium that develops as bud from simple or the branched conidiophore, or directly from vegetative cells or the previous conidia, often the forming simple or the branched chain. In this diagram, I want to show few of the spores produced by the genus Fungi, like arthrospores, chlamydospores, sporangiospores, conidiospores, blastospores, then the structure like conidiophore, then sporangium as well as sporangiospore.